I'm going to answer your top essential oil questions so you can get the most out of your oils. Hey guys, Retha from Plant Therapy here again with the 9th video in our top 15 essential oil questions video series. If you're new to this series, be sure to go back and check out the rest of this series and other cool videos on our YouTube channel. Today, I'm talking about how to dilute your essential oils and how to apply them. I get asked all the time, do essential oils need to be diluted? The answer is yes. But how much and what you use to dilute them with depends on how you want to use them. So today, I'm going to give you our basic guide to diluting essential oils. When you're diluting essential oils with a carrier oil, like coconut oil, it's actually really easy. Just add the essential oils and mix thoroughly. That's it. Once your essential oils are diluted in a carrier oil, you can add the diluted mixture to a roll-on bottle, a DIY, or just add about a tablespoon of carrier oil and a drop or two of essential oil directly to your palm for an immediate and quick use. If you want to learn more about carrier oils, be sure to go back and check out video number 8 in this series, which will tell you everything you need to know about carrier oils. If you're wondering how to dilute essential oils with water, it's a little more complicated than your other options. You don't actually dilute essential oils in water. You have to add an emulsifier like soluble or polysorbate in order for the oils to properly disperse. The second question we get a lot is, how do I decide which dilution to use? While there is no solid rule set in stone for diluting essential oils, there are some guidelines you should follow based on age and how you're using the oils. For normal daily use of essential oils for adults, we recommend a 2% dilution. For acute situations for adults, you can temporarily go up to a 5 to 10% dilution for a short period of time. Make sure you still keep in mind the maximum dermal rates of the oils you're using. For example, when I wake up with a sore neck, I use about a 5 to 10% dilution to help with that area. For children, oftentimes a 2% dilution or lower is recommended. For babies between 0 to 3 months, we recommend a general dilution of 0.1 to 0.2%, which is about a 1 to 2 drops of essential oil per 1 ounce of carrier when being used for whole body application. For spot usage, you can use 3 to 9 drops of essential oil per 1 ounce of carrier. For children ages 3 to 24 months, we recommend a general dilution of 0.25% to 0.5%, which equals 2 to 4 drops of essential oil per 1 ounce of carrier when being used for whole body application. For spot usage, you can use 9 to 27 drops of essential oil per 1 ounce of carrier oil. For children 2 and older, a 2% dilution is recommended. When applying essential oils to the whole body, like in massage, we recommend maintaining a low 1 to 2% dilution for adults and a 1% or lower dilution for children. When adding essential oils to the bathtub, we recommend diluting at no more than 2% in a carrier oil or unscented body wash. Be sure to avoid hot oils like peppermint, cinnamon, and oregano in the bath. When cleaning with essential oils, a 5% dilution is good for a spray bottle cleaner, or for linen sprays, we recommend a 2 to 3% dilution. After you dilute your essential oils, they can be applied to the body, but it's important to know how to apply essential oils topically. They can be rubbed on the body, they can be massaged into the skin, or they can be rolled on if you're using a roller bottle. There's more great information on this topic in video number 7 of this series, where we go into more detail about how to apply essential oils to the skin and how to do a patch test. So be sure to go back and check that out. There really is no best area to apply essential oils. Generally speaking, diluted essential oils are best applied to the area of the body you're having trouble with. If you're having discomfort in your back, you can apply the essential oils directly to your back. If you're wanting to support healthy hair growth like me, then massaging essential oils diluted into your favorite shampoo directly on the scalp would work best. Okay guys, I hope you're ready to get started using your essential oils in different ways now. But if you still need a little bit of help, we have these handy magnetic dilution charts available on our website for you to use. And of course, if you have any questions about dilution, please leave a comment below and we'll be happy to help. Bye for now.